Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of summarizing numeric data. This is standard 6.12c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 19 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a set of data, and it just tells us what they are. Very simple single-digit numbers, and we need to find a statement that is true about the data set. Now look at our answer selections here. Mean, median, range, repeat again, and then median, median, mean, and range. So let's figure those three out. So we need the mean, we need the median, and we need the range. And there are no definitions, unfortunately, on the mathematics chart to help us. So we need to know what each of these mean coming into the STAAR test. So the mean, another way to think of this is the average. Okay? Both of these right here are the measures of middle, or the measures of centrality. They're both trying to describe the middle of this data set in a slightly different way. The range is a measure of spread, so it's telling you how far apart things are. So the average means you basically need to come up with a fraction in a division problem, okay? So you need the sum of the data as your numerator, and you want to divide that by the number of data. How many pieces of data do we have? So let's take a look, and I'm going to do this in blue over here. So what is my data? I've got 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9. So that's my numerator is going to be my sum. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data. So there we go, divided by 6. That's going to get you your mean or your average. All right, so I'm looking for tens. 9 and 1 make 10. Let's see, that's going to be 5 and 2 make 7, and 3 make another 10, so that's 20, and that's 4. So what I'm looking for here is 24 over 6, which is going to be 4. So the mean, the average number is 4. It's not always going to be a whole number. Very often it's going to be a decimal, but in this case it happens to be a whole number. So the mean does not need to be one of the pieces of data. So now let's look at our median. So the median is the middle. Okay, so when we are thinking of like driving down the street, you might get 2 lanes of cars that go this way, and then you might get 2 lanes of cars that go this way. Sometimes you'll have a median. It'll be concrete, and you might have some trees or something in the middle. I always think of this as the median because it's the middle of the road. So it's the middle. So what we need to do is we need to line the numbers up and then find the middle. So in this case, let's do that over here. We need to put them in order. So I'm just going to do numerical order. So 1, 2, keep these in order here. Looks like I got a 3, 4, 5, and then 9. Doesn't matter whether it's least to greatest or greatest to least, but they do have to be in order. And you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My middle number is right here. It's between 3 and 4. So my median is actually going to be 3.5, 3.5 or 3.5. So sometimes your median will also not be part of the data because it's going to be in between the two middle numbers if it's an even number of data sets. And then the range is the spread, right? That's the difference between the greatest and the least. That's going to be a little bit easier because I've already got them in order, right? So that's going to be greatest minus the least. So that's 9 minus 1. That's 8. Okay. So let's see. The mean and the median are both 4. Nope, because the median is 3.5. The mean and the range are both 4. Nope. The range is 8. The range is 4. Nope. The range is 8. The mean is 4. Yes. The median is 3.5. Yes. My answer is D.